How's it going, guys? It's Tucker's Tuition here, and today we're going to go over simplifying surds part 2. This time we're looking at brackets. When we expand a bracket with a surd just by a normal number on the outside, expand the top one first. 2 times root 12, you join them together. 2 root 12. And then 2 times minus 3 gives me minus 6. When I've got a surd on the outside, however, I do the same thing again. Root 5 times 10 gives me 10 root 5. Root 5 times minus root 3 gives me minus 5 times 3 gives me 15. So it's root 15. No other square number goes into that, so I'm done. When I expand double brackets, exactly the same game again. So first I'm going to multiply the 10 by the 3, which gives me 30. And then 10 times root 2. That gives me plus 10 root 2. Now I multiply minus root 2 by 3. That gives me minus 3 root 2. But when I multiply root 2 times root 2, I get minus 2. And you can see that when I expand with double brackets, I get one normal number. So 30 take away 2 is 28. And I get a surd number. 10 root 2 minus 3 root 2 is 7 root 2. The same again even if I've got numbers on the outside of my surds here. I still do the same process. So 10 times 3 gives me 30. 10 times 4 root 2. 10 times 4 is 40. And then root 2 on the end. Minus root 2 now this time we multiply by. Minus root 2 times 3 is minus 6 root 2. And then minus 2 root 2 times 4 root 2. That's going to give me minus 2 times 4 is minus 8. Root 2 times root 2 just gives me 2. So I'm going to write a dot and then just write my 2. Now I simplify everything. 30 take away 8 times 2. That's 30 take away 16. 30 take away 16 gives me 14. So I've got 14 here. Now I've got 40 root 2 take away 6 root 2. 40 take away 6 is 34. And I keep the root 2. And that's it. So have a go at these ones and pause the video here. Okay, now let's go through the answers. 2 times root 5 gives me 2 root 5. 2 times minus 3 gives me minus 6. Root 7 times 10, I join them together again. That gives me 10 root 7. I always write the number before the surd. Root 7 times minus root 3, I get minus 7 times 3 is 21. So I've got root 21. Now I expand this one. 1 times 3 gives me 3. And 1 times root 5 gives me plus root 5. Now I multiply everything by minus root 5 here. Minus root 5 times 3 gives me minus 3 root 5. And again, minus root 5 times plus root 5 gives me minus root 5 times root 5 just gives me 5. 3 take away 5 is minus 2. Root 5 take away 3 root 5 is minus 2 root 5. Now finally I do the same again here. 1 times 3 gives me 3. And 1 times 4 root 5 gives me 4 root 5. Minus 2 root 5 times 3, minus 2 times 3 gives me minus 6. So minus 6 root 5. Minus 2 root 5 times 4 root 5. Minus 2 times 4 gives me minus 8. And 5 times root 5 gives me 5. Which will give me minus 40. Now 3, take away 40, gives me minus 37. 4 root 5, take away 6 root 5, is minus 2 root 5. And I'm done. Many thanks for watching, guys. That's part 2 of Simplifying Surds done. Please leave a like, subscribe. Let me know any future videos you would like me to do in the future, and I'll calculate it for part 3. Bye!